Hey, what's up, Theta Network holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now. So, my friends, once again, I'm talking about the emergency update of Theta Network, my friends. This update is going to be very urgent and very emergency update. Keep watch till the end, and if you are new to my channel, subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos, my friends. In this video, we discuss the currently latest price update of the Theta Network, and after that, we discuss that what is the next target, next move of Theta Network. In this video, keep watch. And before starting this interesting video, I request everyone that please subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos, my friends. Now this time price of the Theta Network in the market is 9.4 USD dollar. 9.4 USD dollar, that is the current price of the Theta Network. On the other side, if we talk about the price changes occurring in the Theta Network, so now the bait time of Theta Network starts now. The bait time of Theta holders starts now. I'm sorry for that, but that is the reality this time of Theta Network. You can see that the last 1 hour price change is negative, except after the last 1 hour, the last 1 day, last 1 week price change is going positive, and I'm very happy with the previous price change, but now the current situation is going wrong, and I think that is just the beginning of the dumping. You can see here, if we look the last 1 week price chart of the Theta Network, so the last 1 week pricing is going positive 19.27% the price pump, and now the current situation, you can see here, this time the price of the Theta Network starts falls down. So my friends, my prediction about Theta Network is that the price of Theta falls down for the next 3 days or 2 days, my friends, and after the 3 days there is a chances to they again price pump, my friends. Anyways, what is your opinion and what is your prediction about Theta? Please tell me in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates.